In this video, we are going to learn how to dismantle a wooden crate. This should take you about 15 minutes. To dismantle a wooden crate, you will need a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a crate. Step 1. The first step will be to remove the base of the crate. Ease the flat-headed screwdriver between the wooden plank and the staple in order to lift the staple's two tabs. Do this for every staple you find. Turn the crate over, then slide the screwdriver between the wooden plank and the staple to ease the staple up to create a gap. Remove the staples completely using some pliers. Step 2. Once the base is removed, we begin removing the sides. To do so, place the screwdriver between the wooden planks and wooden strip at the corner of the crate. Use the screwdriver to make a levering motion until the planks come loose. Repeat the action as many times as you need. Step 3. Finally, separate the wooden planks which make up the base of the crate. When the planks are separated, remove any remaining staples. You now have all the wood from the crate at your disposal to use in your DIY and decorating projects.